Hey YouTube family, happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, y'all. So we got mail. So hopefully this is the package that I was waiting on, that I told y'all about last night. So I got a little box. This might be the same company I got my other stuff from. I took my nails off too. Now see, this is what I'm talking about right here. Look at the box already. Just make me happy already. And it's crushed velvet. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to try to put them in real quick. Okay, y'all. So, y'all see what I'm saying now? When I say I needed that right green to pop with them flowers, that's it right there. Now, I'm satisfied. Now, I am very satisfied. So, yeah, see, everything just flows together. Now, the other ones, like I said, they was cute, but they were just really light colored instead of more of the, this is not really a lime green, but it's, I don't know. The green is just pretty. I should have just got these in the first place. Loving the crushed velvet. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Now, honestly, I wish I would have ordered the black pillow covers for these pillows. So I'm going to eventually do that. But right now, I'm okay. I'm satisfied with my summer look, because that's what this is going to be, unless I decide to change some things out. But yeah, absolutely loving. Hello YouTube family and friends. So I'm back again. As you can see, the living room. This is a video that's being made a couple of days after I made the video with the green pillowcases and everything that I hauled and shared with y'all. So I'm just coming back through again, just to kind of sweep the living room. So I just have that light on and the chandelier. I already explained that about to y'all already, how dim that is. I can't stand it. It's old. And I can't stick my hands in there and change the bulbs. It's so sharp and hard. But the candle is not burning or nothing like that. I was just sharing with y'all how it's looking. Because I ended up sending those green pillowcases back. I like them, but they wasn't what I was looking for. I wanted the green that was going to like pop. So, anyways, with that being said, I sent them back. I ordered the other ones. They should be here tomorrow. But I sent those back today. Took them back to Staples. And I just, I shouldn't have had these stuffed in those pillowcases, but I did. My little furry pillows. Those are what was in those pillowcases. And I shouldn't have stuffed them in there like that. But I just want to share with y'all what the couch is looking like this, which is gorgeous to me. Absolutely love it. And it still looks good with the green accents and everything going on. One of my ladies was over here today, and she said, I saw your video with the teal, and she liked it. And I said, well, I don't have that out no more. She said, you don't? I just saw it or whatever. And I said, go look in my living room. Now, that was earlier today. When she saw it, she saw the green pillowcases on the sofa, on the couch. So she saw the green accents and everything, but she saw the green. And I was telling her, I don't like the pillowcases. Like I like them, but I just didn't like them for what I was doing, because I knew that I wanted a brighter green. But anyways, y'all, so I just wanted to share that with y'all. Share that story with y'all and just share how everything is looking. It's going to pretty much be the same, because the video that had those green pillowcases, it should be out pretty soon. And then the one with the brighter pillowcases, when I share with y'all that I changed, y'all should get that soon. It might even be in this video. It might even be in this one, because it's going to be pretty much the same video. It's just that I'm sharing with y'all what it's looking like now with the black, which I love that look. And pillows, I'm glad I pulled those black and white pillows back out. yeah, I'm trying to utilize what I have. I'm serious. I am. But yeah, I'm glad that I pulled those pillows out and put them in here, the lumbar pillows. And like I said, I love my little fluffy pillows up against the cream ivory color. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, because the green actually brings everything out, and I could actually leave it like this. So tonight, I was like, I ain't even have to order them green pillowcases. I could just leave it like this, but we'll see what they look like when I get them. Because everything, sometimes you order, it don't look the same as it does on the TV. I said on the TV, online. Sometimes it don't look the same once you get it. So, but yeah, y'all see, I got my remotes and stuff sitting on top on the arms of the chairs and everything, and yeah, I don't know. I'm just into the black, but y'all know I love some brown too. And so I just want to come around again, show y'all from this way because it looks so dark the other way. And that's pretty much the same. Got my gold hand in there, hands, and then just the little gold candles. But yeah, that's it, y'all. So I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, y'all. Don't be looking at me. I know I'm looking a little rough right now, sweating. But I'm finna finish cleaning up, and then yeah, got some clothes to fold. But I just hop right back on real quick because I just wanted to say I have been doing some meal prepping. I showed y'all the containers some few days ago, maybe one day last week. I showed y'all the containers that I purchased, and so once I got done today with the meal prepping, I'm like, dude, I ain't even share with y'all, but I had stuff everywhere. So I'm serious. I came right in from the store. I went to the store earlier and I got some chicken breast, some bone-in chicken breast, and I went to the seafood store and I got some Atlantic salmon. And so I came home, put that in the refrigerator, and I left back out and then went to Walmart and stuff. So once I came in from Walmart and Aldi's, which I could have did a haul with y'all too, I didn't. But anyways, y'all, I just started cooking, okay? And I'm like, I should have shared with them, and I'm just like, okay, that camera, it just was a mess in here. It really was nowhere to set the camera, and I was just all over the place in this kitchen. But I ended up doing, y'all know I did the tacos. I pinned up tacos, and I put them in a sandwich baggie, and I just did Mexican rice. And I bought some refried beans today, and I was planning on cooking those, seasoning them and cooking them, and just putting them to the side. But I said I'll do that whenever time come when I eat that to go with the tacos and the Mexican rice, Spanish rice. And so what else did I do? I cooked the black eyed peas with some smoked turkey and some okra Sunday, and I did some baked chicken legs. And so I made a couple of those up with some hot water cornbread. And then today I made the baked chicken breast, and I made some fresh string beans, and I cut the onions up chunky, and some mushrooms, and yeah, I cooked that. And I had the chicken over some rice, and I made the same sauce I used for my salmon. I just put a little bit on the chicken just because I had some left. But I had made the minute rice. So I laid the chicken on there. I did the string beans and the onions and stuff, seasoned them up, made them a little spicy. And I shared the string beans with y'all before when I did them. And I did them, I cut up some chicken. I cooked some chicken, diced some chicken, and then I mixed it all together and ate it over rice. It was so good. So I pretty much did that the same way. I put the string beans in. Then I had my mushrooms. I forgot to add them into the string beans. So I'm glad I didn't do them together. But I ended up cooking those separate, season those up, and then I just put them on top of the string beans. So I did like 3 of those meal prep. And then the salmon, I did the salmon, cooked the salmon, and of course I had the rice. I was gonna do Alfredo noodles with that, but I had cooked so much rice, but I used it all though. So I laid that on the rice, put the sauce on there. And I actually ate some of that tonight. It was good. And yeah, so I did those. And y'all don't know if y'all remember, I had bought those mason jars I'm going to say a couple of years, maybe about a year ago. maybe a year ago, a little over a year, when it was viral with everybody's doing the salads up in the jars and all that stuff. And so when I had got salad stuff, and I said, well, I normally just cut my salad up. Most of the time I cut my salad up, and yeah, I'm moving too much. So I usually cut my salad up, cut everything up fresh. But this time I just, I bought some salad. I bought I bought 2 different types of chopped salads from Aldi's. And so I did those. I bought some eggs. I put those in there with it. I put some deli meat. I think it was Hillshire Farms, just some turkey. I just cut that up and put it in the jars. And I put some cucumbers and tomatoes. And then I added some more of the salad on top of all of that. I didn't put the dressing. Last time I put the dressing, I put the bacon bits and cheese in it. But this time I didn't do none of that. I just said, so the salad can just stay fresh like that. Nothing in there will be soggy. So the bacon bits and everything else can get added in the cheese, and croutons and stuff can get added in the end. So yeah, I did that. And then what else did I do? Oh, fruit. I put some fruits. I put the red grapes and green grapes. I put those in baggies. I had got some blueberries from Aldi's, but those jokers, they so mushy. They mushy and they not sweet either, but I don't want them mushy anyways. But I'm not going to take them back for $1 and some. I mean, unless I go that way, I'll take them back, but just exchange them. But trying to think, what else did I do? That was it. That the chicken from those chicken tacos from the other day. I didn't want to throw the meat out, so I made some buffalo chicken dip out of that. So that was it, y'all. That pretty much was it. I just I just said, dang, I should have shared with y'all, because before it all got, started getting frozen. But I could have shared that with y'all. But I guess I'll share once I do eat it, whenever I eat it. Because, like, I cooked that food and then I might not even want it. Like, I ate that, a little bit of that salmon and rice. Excuse me, because I was hungry. I hadn't ate since this early, like probably about 11:30 this morning. And so, so I ate a little bit of that. But, yeah, like I said, I'd have meal prepped and stuff like that. And then tomorrow could come and I'd be like, I'm finna eat a sandwich and some chips or something. But yeah, and I started to do some tuna fish. I'm still thinking about that. Just make a little thing of tuna fish, because you can always, tuna fish is good on top of salad. So I might do that. I might have some in there already. But anyways, I just want to share that with y'all. When I get those pillow covers tomorrow, I will pick the camera up and share those with y'all also, and put them back on the couch. Put them on the couch so that y'all can see, how everything is looking. All right now. Hey, YouTube family. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, y'all. So we got mail. So hopefully this is the package that I was waiting on, that I told y'all about last night. So I got a little box. This might be the same company I got my other stuff from. I took my nails off too. Now see, this is what I'm talking about right here. Look at the box already. Just make me happy already. And it's crushed velvet. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put them in real quick. Okay, y'all. So y'all see what I'm saying now? When I say I needed that right green to pop with them flowers, that's it right there. Now I'm satisfied. Now I am very satisfied. So yeah, see, everything just flows together. Now the other ones, like I say, they was cute, but they were just really light colored, instead of more of the, this is not really a lime green, but it's, I don't know, the green is just pretty. I should have just got these in the first place. Loving the crushed velvet. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Now, honestly, I wish I would have ordered the black pillow covers for these pillows. So I'm going to eventually do that. But right now, I'm okay. I'm satisfied with my summer look because that's what this is going to be unless I decide to change some things out. But yeah, absolutely loving.